Why do you move it close?
This is nice.
No, you need to move it back so everyone can be in it. It's not only about you, Aussie. Don't be selfish.
Yeah, Aussie.
Okay,
Yeah,
so,
move.
hi.
Yeah.
So we're back again with another video, and today we're going to be doing a challenge.
Yeah.
And, oh, my hair. And we've got two guests with us. And you already know
Darnel
and
me.
Aso.
Comment down below. Team Darnel. Woo!
Alright, and okay, so today we're doing the try not to laugh challenge. But we're going to do it with water in our mouth. Bismillah. Baru
Lari gimana ko? What? Yellow.
You're not supposed to drink it.
No.
Are we supposed to drink it?
No, you're not supposed to drink
You
it.
can't swallow it. Oh, keep it in your mouth.
I'm drinking out of my bottle. Oh my gosh, my laptop! I'm back in the game. Wait.
I'm winner.
Not even I'm the winner. I did not spit.
Oh, whatever, Dino. You were swallowing yours.
Yeah, you spit down there.
Anyway, Siaosi thinks he won, but
Comment Team
Team
Siaosi.
Victoria, Team Darnel, Team Siaosi, Team Aso.
Is
Me! I want to show you Aso's pants. I will show them. Can they see it? I can't see. Look at his pants.
Cause it's wet.
And look at Aussie's pants.
get this all clean, man. I'm fucking wet. Let me get that now.
No, I just swallowed it because
Funny.
Aso, go stand over there in the light. We shook. Oh my gosh, Aso, did you meme yourself?
No, I did not mean you.
If you like our video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe. Team Victoria, Team Darnel, Team Aso, or Team Siaosi.
yeah, Tim, see,
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.